Hello everyone, welcome to the one question series of Ablokan IAS, and today we are going to discuss one more question that is asked in CSAT 2024 and it belongs to the percentage topic. The question is, a number is mistakenly divided by 4 instead of multiplying by 4. What is the percentage change in the result due to this mistake? So जब भी हमें percentage का question आया, so we will try to take the number as 100. Here also we are taking the number equals to 100. होना क्या चाहिए था, इंस्टेड ऑफ मल्टीप्लाइंग बाई 4 ओरिजिनल रिजल्ट क्या होना चाहिए था, मल्टीप्लाई इट विथ 4, दैट मीन्स 4 into 100, दैट इज 400. बट मिस्टेकन रिजल्ट क्या आया, 100 divided by 4. So 100 divided by 4, that means 25. So what is the change in result? Oh, sorry, change in result 375, and this change it is on this original result. So the percentage change in result is 375 upon 400 into 100%. 4 9 ja 36, 15, 4 3 ja 12, 30, 4 7 ja 28, 20, 4 5 ja 20. So 93.75% is my answer. Let's move on to our practice question for today. It's also a similar question. The question is, a number is mistakenly divided by 2 instead of multiplying by 2. What is the percentage change in the result? It's very simple. Try to do this one and you can get the answer in the PDF shared in this Telegram group. Thank you.